Hopefully you can hear me okay. Uh, I wanted to go ahead and tell you what to do when you're having this problem. You hooked it up to, well, you got the Numark Extreme Pro, and you hooked it up to the DJ, Virtual DJ, and you get this to pop up. All right, and it won't let you click on Use Mixstream Pro. Well, I'm gonna tell you how to fix that. All right. And purpose of me doing this because I'm having the same issue and I want to do this so I know how to do this in the future. So basically, the problem that you're having is when you go, you get your driver, all right, and you go to the website and you download the Windows driver, okay? So once you download the Windows driver, I'll already do that, and you click on it, and yes, and it pops up when Microsoft C++ just kind of shuts off. Okay, so the problem with that, it's conflicting with Microsoft C++. Okay, and what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to uninstall that and then reinstall that, but you need to uninstall the correct ones. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and close this out. All right, and we'll close this out. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to basically you got to uninstall apps if you want on Windows 11 or anywhere you normally have programs install and uninstall stuff like that. Then what you want to do is go ahead and search for visuals or just visuals. I'm used to saying visuals. Okay, so what you want to do now, you might have a bunch of C++. I recently redid this computer not too long ago, so I don't have that many on there. On my other computer, when I figured this out, there was a bunch of them on there. So basically, you want to make sure you get this particular one, these two right here, okay? And make sure it's Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022, okay? Redistributable. All right, you want the x64 version and you also want the x86 version. Okay, I installed both of those. Don't worry. Uh, it's going to reinstall it once you uninstall this. Okay. All right, so we'll go ahead and uninstall that one. And yes, hit yes when the pop-up comes, and do not hit repair, just hit uninstall. All right, and it'll say successful. As you can see, it disappeared. All right, next you're gonna go ahead and do the next one. Hit hit uninstall. Okay, and hit close. All right, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and close out the apps there. And earlier I went ahead and downloaded this. It's the driver for it. So now you should be able to install that driver. Just find when you downloaded it and then just install. Okay, now it's going to go ahead and install those C++. As you can see, it did that this time, and it did the x64. Now, finally, you get to install the driver, and just hit accept, and next, install, and let it install. All right, and then you'll be finished. Once you are finished, you should be good to go. All right, now just open up Virtual DJ. And look at there, bam! You even have Virtual DJ also on your controller as well. I'm sorry I don't have another camera to show it to you on that way, but trust me, it'll show up on your controller and also on Virtual DJ. And then you want to go ahead and select Mix with Pro. All right, and hit OK. All right, and from there you should be pretty much ready to go. Just go ahead and well, I would play the song, but it might kind of ding me on there. But you should be able to play it no problem in order to come out of those speakers from the controller and also from any speakers that you may have plugged in. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, I'll see if I can answer them. I might not be able to answer, and then again, I might not. So, it just took me a minute to figure out why was it working, and then I realized, hey, it wasn't even installing the driver, and that was the problem that you was having. It wasn't installing the drivers, and it was conflicting with the other one. So, once you do that, you should be pretty much ready to go, and you should be all good. All right. Just in case you ever have any issues in the futures, I highly recommend keeping those drivers saved somewhere into another drive, just in case you be out somewhere and it's not wanting to connect again or something like that. Which I don't think you have that problem now. This should right here pretty much fix everything, and you should be good to go. All right. Until next time, peace.